Are you a landowner looking to enter into a joint venture agreement for your property? Are you confused about the numerous steps involved in drafting a joint venture agreement? Do you want to know what are the critical things that you should not miss out when entering into a joint venture agreement? If yes, watch this video till the end. But do you know it's not always necessary? In fact, in most of the cases, there are a number of things which are required to be taken care of before a joint venture deed is executed. So if you skip any one of these steps, your joint venture may be at risk. Hello everyone! What is the capital contribution? What is the profit sharing? How will you share the profits? What are the exit strategies? How can a person exit from the joint venture? What are the dispute resolution mechanisms? We have successfully documented 50+ joint ventures and have a great track record. I am your friendly legal consultant with expertise in civil and property law, and in this video, we will be discussing critical legal steps which you should not skip when buying any property. Let's get started. Take a print out of this slide and keep it with you always so that you don't miss out any of these things. So first of all, let me show you something. Okay, so over here, we have shown a deed and a house, and we are going to discuss about a situation where a person who is a landowner is going to enter into a joint venture agreement with a builder and develop the said land. Now, many people believe that in order to enter into a joint venture, there must be a clear-cut deed of joint venture which clearly defines the rights and liabilities of each party. Also, check out these useful videos shown on screen and keep watching more videos. For example, you have entered into a joint venture with a builder, and you have not defined the share of profit or loss in the joint venture agreement. Now, if the project becomes successful, who will get how much amount? There is no clarity. You have not defined the ownership ratio in the joint venture deed. So such kind of issues can be avoided if proper care is taken at the time of entering into a joint venture agreement. To know more about what are those critical steps, click on the link below and register yourself. Our expert lawyers will contact you shortly. So let me now show you the things which you should not skip when entering into a joint venture. First thing is you should define the type of joint venture which you are entering into. For example, are you entering into a joint venture with a landowner and a developer? Or are you entering into a joint venture with multiple developers? For example, what is the ownership ratio? Who will contribute what? Next thing is you need to define the critical components of the joint venture. Once these things are documented in a proper joint venture agreement, you can rest assured that you have a foolproof joint venture agreement. We at Thanigaivelan Law Consulting Firm have vast experience in documenting joint venture agreements. So if you are planning to enter into a joint venture, contact us today. At Thanigaivelan Law Consulting Firm, based in Adyar, Chennai, we've structured 50+ successful joint ventures, protecting all parties while maximizing project success. We specialize in property registration and documentation services. If you come across any questions when entering into a joint venture, call us today at 919-884-105-448 for a consultation. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.